Throughout the long history of human transportation, horses were once the primary mode of travel, accompanying humans for countless centuries. However, in the 19th century, a great transformation quietly took place, changing the way people traveled forever. This was the birth of the automobile. Today, let's take a journey into the legendary story of the world's first car. In the 19th century, the Industrial Revolution was in full swing. The widespread use of steam engines brought immense power to factories and sparked countless inventors to think about new types of transportation. With roads gradually improving, the demand for faster and more convenient travel grew stronger. It was in this context that a German inventor, Carl Benz, began his journey to create the automobile. Carl Benz was born into a railway workers' family in Germany and developed a strong interest in mechanics from a young age. As he grew, he dedicated himself to mechanical engineering, accumulating a wealth of knowledge and experience. At a time when horse-drawn carriages were the norm, Benz firmly believed that an internal combustion engine could provide the power for a completely new and efficient mode of transportation. Benz faced numerous challenges. The first problem was the power source. At that time, internal combustion engine technology was still in its early stages, with low power and efficiency. After countless experiments and improvements, Benz successfully designed a single-cylinder, four-stroke internal combustion engine. This small but powerful engine could provide continuous, stable power to the vehicle. Once the power issue was solved, Benz turned his attention to the design of the car itself. Rejecting the traditional horse-drawn carriage design, he opted for a three-wheeled layout. This design ensured stability while reducing manufacturing complexity and cost. The frame was made from lightweight yet sturdy steel, ensuring the car's strength while keeping the overall weight low. In 1885, after years of hard work, Carl Benz finally created the world's first automobile. This car was named the Benz patent-motorwagen. It looked very different from modern cars, small, without a roof or doors, and with wheels resembling those of a bicycle. Yet, it held groundbreaking significance. It ran on gasoline and was powered by an internal combustion engine with a top speed of 16 kilometers per hour. On January 29, 1886, Benz applied for a patent for his automobile, which is now widely recognized as the birth of the automobile. However, at first, the car did not immediately attract widespread attention. It was Bertha Benz, Carl's wife, who became the car's first promoter. One morning, without telling her husband, Bertha took their two sons and drove the car on a 106-kilometer journey. Along the way, the car broke down several times, experiencing issues such as a spark plug failure and fuel leakage. But Bertha, with her wisdom and courage, solved each problem. She used a hairpin as a temporary spark plug and purchased alcohol from a pharmacy to use as fuel. This long trip not only proved the car's reliability, but also showed the potential of this new mode of transportation to a wider audience. As time passed, the automobile gained recognition and popularity. Its introduction greatly changed people's lives. It shortened the distances between cities and individuals, offering more freedom and convenience for travel. People could now easily travel long distances for work or leisure, and business activities became more active due to the car. The first automobile created by Carl Benz sparked a fire that ignited the development of the global automotive industry. From then on, car technology continually evolved, with more diverse models and improved performance. Today, cars have become an indispensable part of our daily lives. Looking back at the birth of the world's first car, we see not just the appearance of a great invention, but also the embodiment of human perseverance and innovation. Carl Benz and his automobile forever changed the world and laid the foundation for the diverse ways we travel today. Let's remember this history, honor these great inventors, and look forward to more surprises in the future of transportation. Interesting vocabulary and expressions. Transformation. Meaning, a complete change in something's appearance or nature. Example. However, in the 19th century, a great transformation quietly took place, changing the way people traveled forever. Revolutionary. Meaning, bringing about a major change or innovation. Example. Today, we explore the invention of the first car by Carl Benz, a revolutionary moment that changed transportation forever. Convenient. Meaning, making something easier or more comfortable. Example. With roads gradually improving, the demand for faster and more convenient travel grew stronger. Dedicate. Meaning, to devote time or effort to a particular task or purpose. Example. As he grew, he dedicated himself to mechanical engineering, accumulating a wealth of knowledge and experience. Stable. Meaning, firmly fixed, not likely to move or change. Example. This small but powerful engine could provide continuous, stable power to the vehicle. Layout. Meaning, the way in which something is arranged or designed. Example. Rejecting the traditional horse-drawn carriage design, he opted for a three-wheeled layout. Ensuring. Meaning, making sure that something happens or is provided. Example. The frame was made from lightweight yet sturdy steel, ensuring the car's strength while keeping the overall weight low. Groundbreaking. Meaning, introducing new and innovative ideas. Example. Yet it held groundbreaking significance. Patent. Meaning, the legal right to be the only one to produce or sell an invention. Example. On January 29, 1886, Benz applied for a patent for his automobile, which is now widely recognized as the birth of the automobile. Reliability. Meaning, the quality of being dependable or trustworthy. Example. This long trip not only proved the car's reliability, but also showed the potential of this new mode of transportation to a wider audience. Popularity. Meaning, the state of being widely liked or recognized. Example. As time passed, the automobile gained recognition and popularity. Indispensable. Meaning, absolutely necessary or essential. Example. Today, cars have become an indispensable part of our daily lives. Perseverance. Meaning, continued effort despite difficulties. Example. We see not just the appearance of a great invention, but also the embodiment of human perseverance and innovation. Innovation. Meaning, a new idea, method, or invention. Example. Carl Benz and his automobile forever changed the world and laid the foundation for the diverse ways we travel today, thanks to his innovation. Foundation. Meaning, the basic structure or underlying basis of something. Example. Carl Benz and his automobile forever changed the world and laid the foundation for the diverse ways we travel today. Thank you for watching. We hope this story of the world's first car helped you learn new English words while uncovering history. Keep learning and stay curious.